Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Edifier WH500 headphones with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge your headphones by using this USB-C port for like 20 minutes and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, just be sure that your headphones are completely turned off. As you can see, in my case, they are, because when I click on any button, this indicator is not activated. Right now, we have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking blue. As you can see, it is blinking. You can also hear the pairing notification. So put them close to your iPhone or iPad or any iOS device. And then go to the settings, open the Bluetooth, turn it on. And from the devices, select Edifier WH500. As you can see, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.